time. You know, all this, it's hard beating this guy up, trying to get your hands and stuff off like this. All right, hold on to it real tight. All you got to do is bring it up and just touch it. Hang on to it. You got it? Huh, you ready? Oh, here we go. Come to it. The reason being, he can't think of two things at one time. This right now is his primary thought. So hang on to it. He can hold on to that as hard as he wants if that's his primary thought. By coming in and not putting an offensive touch to it, I mean just a light rub like this becomes a primary because his mind has to go out and seek out that touch to see if there's a danger to him or not. All right? And then he forgets he's holding on to my hand. And you know exactly what I'm going to do, right? Hang on to it. Here we go. Hold on to it real tight. Real tight. See? Hang on. Or you can take it like this the same way. Got it? Try and pull like this. Just take the finger and run down the hand just like that. No big secret, nothing hard about it. All you have to do is the timing, and you can't touch it hard. If I touch this hard, watch his body reaction. See, it gets real hard. Okay. If I just touch it light, then he can't hold on to it because his mind is following his finger coming down his arm. Yeah. This what I'm doing is I got three things I'm going to show you. Those are the three elements that set up a key. So he's hanging on to it. But sound also, the mind has to go listen to it. Really try. Got it? Yeah. Ready? Here we go. And the others through sight. Hold on to it. All you have to do is have him see your hand. And what his mind still has to go out and look at the hand. It's as simple as that. So the three things that set up a kia is touch, sight, and sound. Okay. So when you put all three elements together, then you got the basis of what sets up a kia. But as sure as the hell, that beats all this, you know, stuff like this. Because from here, you just go. So that's the three elements. Try them, all three.